We're at AutoNation, the largest dealer network in the United States, and I can tell you one thing, they cannot sell these Rubicons. Literally, this thing is over $100,000. It is insane. Look at this, $111,000. MSRP was $108. The dealership adds a lot of BS. Here we go. $699 plus $699 plus $289 plus $799 brings it up to $111,000 for a Jeep Wrangler. That is insane. I am completely shocked. I am like, what in the world is going on here? Oh, and we're not done yet. This Jeep over here has a $25,000 aftermarket package and additional add-ons after that. It's insane. Let me show you how expensive this one is. Let's see what we're working with here. This is a 24 Wrangler Rocky Ridge. Let's see. Okay, MSRP $56,000 plus $699 plus $699 plus $289, and then a $25,000 package. And then $799 brings it up to a total of $84,000. That's a lot of money for a $54,000 Jeep originally, which, yes, you might get, the aftermarket add-ons do increase the value somewhat, but you have to find the right buyer, and honestly, to a bank, it doesn't. That's the biggest thing. To a bank, there's no additional value to this vehicle. They cannot provide any value to accessories, generally speaking. Lenders go on black book and blue book and stuff, and the value of the vehicle is the value of the vehicle. They're going to look at the invoice. They're not going to look at these $25,000 of accessories. So getting someone approved on this, I imagine, can be a bit of a challenge, but you know, if you put some money down and stuff, but still, it's just insane. And literally, so a lender's going to have to approve 140% over it. That's what they do, 120, 130% of MSRP. So that's insane. That is insane. Hopefully they put some money down and they won't be too upside down. And then they have these Grand Wagoneers, which obviously are a huge issue because they can't sell them worth of nothing because they're literally $100,000 plus, which this one doesn't even have a window sticker. But let's see how much they add on these Grand Wagoneers. And this is what I don't understand. Why do they do these stupid addendum stickers if they're trying to sell vehicles? 2023, you can tell the sticker's been out forever. Again, when those stickers turn black like that, that means it's been sitting for a long time. $97,000 original MSRP plus $699 plus $699 plus $289 plus $799 brings it to $100,000 for a 2023 Grand Wagoneer. And it's funny because this makes no sense to me. If the dealership wants to sell more vehicles, take this bullshit off. It's that simple. This addendum sticker is not helping you sell vehicles. It's not helping you increase profit, in my opinion. I've been in the car business. If you take that addendum sticker off, customers will remember you. And also, you will get more customers coming in, people out of state, people from all over. The most successful Dodge, Jeep, and Ram dealership is not in a big city, believe it or not. It's in a small little town. Guess why? Every customer they sell to, you might look it up. It's actually kind of crazy. They sell more Dodge, Jeep, and Ram compared to anybody, but they sell it at the cheapest price, and they can ship cars anywhere, and they don't play any BS games. They are the most successful Dodge, Jeep, and Ram dealership, and they're not in a big city. They're in a small town. Yes, they're able to discount more because basically the taxes and stuff, and they're able to do some more than other dealers, but still, a small town dealer outperforming any other dealership. It's crazy. And you have these $100,000 Jeeps with addendum stickers and a Grand Wagoneer that's a 2023 with an addendum sticker still sitting here. And that's what I don't get. I'm like, AutoNation, come on, corporate executives, come on. You can sell more vehicles. This dealership would increase sales if you take the addendum stickers off. And I really do believe the profit would increase at the end of the day. In the long run, it might not increase this much this month because it's going to take time to get that customer base. But if you take this BS off, I'm telling you, they would sell more vehicles. It just doesn't make any sense at all why they would add all this BS on there. So it's just my opinion. And it's funny because I get comments, people literally backing the dealership saying, no, it's not a problem. And I guess $289 for window tint's not crazy, but did they even tint all the, okay, so they charged $289 for window tint on this Grand Wagoneer. I don't know for sure, but aren't these factory tint? I don't know for sure. I'm not saying. But if that's factory tint and they charged you for $289 for window tint, that would be against the law. I'm pretty sure they can't do that. So I just don't get that stuff. But again, I'm not sure if that's factory tint. But if it is, that's not right to charge you for something that's already on the vehicle from the factory. So I'm just scratching my head wondering what they're doing. Obviously they don't care about really customer base here. They're just trying to get a stupid person. And just don't be stupid. Just know you have negotiating power. You can negotiate to these dealers. The ball's in your court at the end of the day, because people, they want to sell a car. They want to sell a car. If they try to act like, oh, we're low on inventory, this and that, just walk away, wait for the call. Walk away and wait for the call back. So, hey, have a great day. Let me know what you think. I hate these greedy add-ons that they add on. I just wish they would sell it at MSRP or below MSRP, even if it's a desirable vehicle, at MSRP. Not anything over. No matter what vehicle it is, no matter how desirable, no matter anything, never, ever, ever, ever over MSRP. It's that simple. But hey, let me know what you think. Have a great day and stay blessed.